What's the top-level car API for embedded Android Auto deployments? The top-level car API for embedded Android Auto deployments is a set of Android APIs that allow developers to create apps and services for car devices that run Android Automotive OS. Android Automotive OS is a variant of Android that is optimized for the car environment, such as the dashboard, the instrument cluster, and the head unit. It provides features such as navigation, media, voice control, and vehicle settings. The top-level car API consists of the car class, which is the entry point for accessing various car-specific services and managers. These services and managers provide functionality such as app focus, audio, info, navigation, occupant zone, package, UX restriction, and watchdog. For example, the car app focus manager allows apps to set and listen for the current app focus, such as active navigation or active voice command. The car info manager provides information about the car, such as the make, model, fuel type, and door location. To use the top-level car API, developers need to add the Android.car library to their project, enable the automotive feature in the manifest, and get an instance of the car class by calling car.createCar context. They also need to follow the policies and terms of the Android Automotive OS, such as displaying attributions and respecting user privacy. The top-level car API is only available for devices that have the package manager hashtag feature_automotive feature. This feature indicates that the device supports Android Automotive OS and the car-specific APIs. Calling the top-level car API on a device that does not have this feature will result in an exception. You can find more information about the top-level car API and the Android Automotive OS on the official website or on the various guides and tutorials on the web. Learn more. 1. Car Android developers. https://developer.android.com/reference/android/